gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD and we're approaching to positive territory. We bounce right off the 200 moving average, this green line, acting as our support at a price of $49.64. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and we're approaching back to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, and with the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, my long entry is at $50.20, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $51.21, and my stop loss is at $49.87. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $51.54, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $50.53, and my stop loss is at $51.88. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 50% chance to climb between 1.3 to 2.6%, and to the downside it has a 50% chance to fall between negative 1.3 to negative 2.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.